Yes, digital product family, I hope you guys are well. Guys, you're going to love this video. I'm going to give you 10 unsaturated digital products you can start right now. And the beauty about these are they're real easy to do. You can literally do that in 5 minutes, each one of these in Midjourney AI, my fantastic AI software, and you can get selling on Etsy today. So guys, remember, stay right to the end because I got a few nuggets which I want to show you, which you're going to love. So guys, as usual, I'm coming to you from London, UK. Let me know where you reside and put it in the comments below so I can say hi. And as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, you love all of that good stuff and all of that fantastic passive income, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Anyway, let's go without further ado. Now, listen. Check this one out, right? This is the first one I'm going to show you. Now, this is called digital bookmarks, guys. Now, look at these. Some of these look really nice, really cute. There's so many different styles of these digital bookmarks. Guys, look, I mean, I like to tie in everything together. So we're looking at the mentality, why people like to buy these. We're looking at, how different niches are connected with other niches, because honestly, when you look deep into it, everything's connected somehow, right? So for example, watercolor is a theme that people are loving. So you got people that buy watercolor themes. People like florals. You got a watercolor floral theme. People like these whimsical landscapes. People like these Halloween. Now these are fantastic for obviously seasonal, but still they do sell well. Even Halloween watercolor style. Guys, there's so many different styles. And what's nice is there's something for everybody. So with bookmarks, you got market for everybody. The other thing that is fantastic about digital bookmarks is that it's unsaturated. You haven't got a lot of people you're competing with, or you haven't got you've got enough to be able to get in, should I say. So you've got 29,385 results. Not bad. You can get into this for sure. But obviously you got to find your sub niche within the digital bookmark world. And that's what it is. You got these fashion girl ones, you got the watercolor floral ones, you got these fantasy door ones, you got these positive affirmation ones, you got these wizard ones, you got these sky ones, you got these 3D floral ones, you got all sorts of ones. Boho style ones. I'm telling you, see, I like the way they link the boho. Boho wall art, boho bookmark, boho all sorts. Fairy tales, right? So what I would say is, and they're so easy to do with Midjourney, like in terms of the design as well, they're really simple to do. Now, let me give you a flavor about how much these things can make, right? So I'm looking at a bundle right now. This is a bundle. Like I said, look, generally, I'm going to talk about general, give you some tips on general things as I go along. So generally, bundles do really well, okay? So this one's a bundle, right? A decent bundle of different types of niches within the bookmarks, sub niches should I say, and let's have a look and see how much this is making right now, just so you got an idea. Now, although this is a bundle of bookmarks for sure with different designs, this listing's been up for 1 month, right? And it's making an estimated revenue of $1,440 per month just on bookmarks, guys. Yes, it's on sale. I think, is it on sale right now? Let's just double check. I think it's on. No, it's not on sale. Yeah, it is on sale. It's on sale, so you got to take that into account. But like I said, guys, you can, it's about creating bundles for sure. But I would definitely get into this because it's such an easy one, like simple. Look at these botanical academia, they call it, 10 bookmarks which they sell, printables. And again, look, it says low in stock, 20 plus in a basket. They come digital files, printable bookmarks. 300 DPI, JPEG, you get a JPEG and a PNG, tells you the sizes, nice little mock-up of these, simple mock-up, right? And also guys, after I go through these, I also want you to let me know which one you like the best in the comments and which one do you want me to do a whole video on, like from start to finish kind of idea. This is good because it gives you all the ideas. I mean, look, if you wanted to do a bookmark, this listing is telling you everything you need to know. Look, it's giving you the sizing, it's telling you the res, it's telling you the format, the files. You can download it directly from Etsy. This one's so simple, guys. And look, you can do this in Midjourney like 2 minutes, guys. So bookmarks. Digital bookmarks is my first one on the list. So the next fantastic idea that I think you should definitely consider is these wind spinner guys. Now these are again just downloadable PNGs, easy to produce. Now look, there's this thing about crossing over with design. Look, you got similar designs that are working. Like you got the Union Jack. The American flag. You got the sunflowers. You got the leopard print. You got the cow print. All of these, the roses, you got all of these that are very similar in terms of what people like. People like these. There's a lot of demand for it. There's a lot of searches for it. And I think it's something definitely to consider when you're designing something and have the same design on different products. That is where you will see how sales will increase. Now, people love wind spinners as well. Look at these. They look fantastic. Very easy. Again, another easy one, right? I'll show you an example down here. Let's have a look down here. Okay, here's a wind spinner. So you got a wind spinner there. It's really cute, really nice, and people like really nice designed wind spinners. So yeah, this is a real good one to consider because again, it's quite easy to get done to do. It's not that hard. Let's just analyze now how much these things make. Right, like I said, this is 50 bundle designs templates. 10-inch wind spinners. These make $2,120 a month for one listing. This listing's been up for 2 months. Again, it is in a sale, so you got to take that into consideration. But these things sell, guys. Another fantastic idea. Again, I'm giving you ideas that you can produce quite quickly with not, easy ideas, unsaturated ideas that you can get into the market, because that's the key, guys. Like if I type in wind spinners, wind spinner design, wind spinner design, or I could say PNG, but let's just put wind spinner because people are looking for the designs themselves, right, rather than the actual. You're looking at 2,874 results, which is fantastic to get into, guys, because that's not saturated. There's not a lot of people in it, not many listings, and something that you can get into, guys. Now this can only grow, so that is a good one. Next one is these kind of Tumblr. Now we're looking at the Tumblr sort of idea, but what you do is you have sort of if you like a design where you have a gap, and the gap is where you can put the name of the person and photos. People love having their photos, little sort of photos where it could be like a gift. People buy this typically for a gift, like a Mother's Day gift or Father's Day gift or whatever it is, birth of a child or something. So you can see these images here. And yeah, this is where the images would go. So they would leave like gaps in the design. It would be a PNG that which you can just download it. Again, you don't really need to do anything. It's just a PNG design. This one shows a tapered, and it shows a straight style templates, which can be done. So this is a fantastic idea as well. Another within the Tumblr niche, if you like, another idea which I think it sells and should be considered as well, because we did talk about tumblers. Check out my playlist on Tumblr designs and so on. Do check them out. Yeah, another idea is these Libican guys. These Libicans do really, really well. Again, look, check it out, guys. Like I said, do you remember when I said designs crossover different products? Look at this, sunflower and cow print. You got the American flag. You got these sunflowers again. You got these more sunflowers and other designs. And people like these Libicans. They're quite cool, quite nice ideas, nice designs, and they're really good idea to get into. So do check out Libican if you like ideas. Next one on the list is these kind of cow tag patterns. Again, there's another idea that you should consider. These kind of cow tags that people seem to be liking, seem to be buying, guys. Again, look at using crossover, similar ideas of designs that we've mentioned before, guys. Look, similar ideas that we spoke about, but again, this is another way of having the design on a different kind of idea template, right? So yeah, that's another one. Another one which we might have spoke about wind spinners already, so I'm going to leave that one out. But you see, what the beauty about this is that you can do something where you'd have like a combination, and this is beautiful, because other ideas that you should definitely consider, and I'll come to this, is these phone casing designs, right? So you've got these phone case designs that really do really well, actually, which I think you should look at. And again, so what you would do is you'd have one single design, which and you'd have different products, different templates, which you can have the design for. So you'd have PNG files, let's say, and you'd have different sizes that go onto different products. So you've got the phone case, for example, and again, you know, it might be iPhone, Android. You've got to think about what the most popular phone cases are that you'd have the design for. You've got the tumblers, you got the mug designs, and I'm going to touch on mug designs because that's also quite a big one. You got the wind spinners there. You've got the teardrop. If you remember, I got a video on this, on these teardrop earrings, which you could do. Again, look, it's the same design. And you got these coasters, you got the license plate. So what you're seeing here is you're seeing a 20 plus templates and all the designs for different products in one. I think this is absolutely very smart from this person that's done this. It's a fantastic mega bundle that they're doing. I think it's a great idea because they're actually doing one design for different products. And then once you've got these templates, look at that, 1,788. I think that's phenomenal. 1 month listing, 1,788, and you can imagine that's just one type of design. That's one design. So imagine you replicate that by 10 different designs, popular designs, cowhide, American flag, whatever it is that you know is a popular design. Have different templates for different products that you sell, and you will see this is what some of the smart sellers do. Right? They know how to bundle things together with different products. Here's another example of the same thing in terms of the same bundle that also sells really well, but with a different sort of theme. They got this sort of, again, popular. Skulls are quite popular, actually. This kind of dark sort of theme where you got the skull, which also people like. Yeah. See, look at this kind of idea. And again, it goes on across different designs because, like I said, you know, people buy things of the same design on different products and it works really well. So this is a great idea, and I think it's a winner, right? So this is like a sublimation mega bundle, they call it. And again, you could go separate. You know, these are mug designs where you got a whole bundle of different 50, in this case, nice, cool mug designs, PNG designs for different size mugs. I think they're doing the 11 ounce and 15 ounce. This is 367. You know, not too shabby as well. You know, that's not too bad. Why not? Right? That goes okay. You got these Libby can wraps again. I talked about these Libby can wraps. These Libby can wraps, 20 plus in a basket. You know, there's a whole 150 of these, not 8,000. That is mad. That is mad. 8,310. Wow. This listing been up for 4 months and it's killing it. Absolutely smashing it, guys. Yeah, this is definitely one to consider. Libby can wraps, right? That's another one, guys. So, and if you type in Libby can, let's have a look at Libby can wraps, right? Libby can wraps, and you can do these, guys. You can do some nice, interesting designs for this. Let's have a look at Libby can wraps just to get an idea of numbers, because I didn't realize how good this one was. 9,980, excellent. Really good number of results to try and get into. I think I'll definitely look at something in this because I think this is brilliant, right? And again, I did touch on phone case designs. Remember, phone case designs are also popular. Like, everyone's got a phone. So if you're able to cater for different types of phones as well, case designs, and think of an idea where your designs, you have specific sort of idea for the designs, I think you could do really well. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you enjoyed the video. This gives you some fantastic ideas for designs that you can realistically do really quickly and get listing very quickly. And that's the whole point of this, showing you things that you could list real quick, that you can design mid-journey real quick and then get it up there. And because what it is with Etsy, the more products you have and the more different niches you have, the more you're seen out there on Etsy, and the more the algorithm will favor you. And that's what we need. We need it to favor you. So guys, hope you liked the video. Hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget all the links to my description for everything that I use, you know, whether it be the SEO software and everything else that I use. Do check them out, the links in my description. Remember, check out the videos for the next two that are coming up next, and I shall see you guys on the next one. Take care.